Today we're going to finish up our Weather and Seasons booklet. So go ahead and take out your Weather and Seasons packet and a pencil. Pause your video until you get those things together. Go ahead and flip in your booklet to the back. Today you get to show what you know on the Sum It Up pages. So the first page is going to be page 264. I'm going to read the directions, and I may give you some clues, but I'm not going to give you the answers today. I want to see what you guys know. So at the top, number 1 says, draw it. Draw a picture to show cloudy and windy weather. Remember, you cannot see wind, but you can see the things that the wind is blowing around. So draw a picture to show cloudy and windy weather. Pause your video until you're done. Number 2, solve it. Write a weather word to solve. You may see me in a puddle outside. The day is gray when I fall from the sky. I am blank. So I want you to think what falls from the sky when it's gray outside and makes a puddle. You can look back through your booklet so that you can spell that word correctly. Pause your video, come back when you're ready for number 3. Number 3, match it. Match the words to the pictures. And here are 2 of our weather tools. One is a rain gauge and one is a thermometer. You need to draw a straight line from the picture of the rain gauge to the word rain gauge, and a straight line from the picture of the thermometer to the word thermometer. Pause your video until you are done. Now flip to page 265. We have 3 words in our word bank: wind, thermometer, and temperature. Those are some long words there at the end, so you're going to have to be very careful that you write 1 letter per line. The first definition says, a measure of how hot or cold something is. Is that wind, thermometer, or temperature? You're going to use the words in the yellow box and write 1 letter on each line until you finish the word. Pause your video until you're done. Next definition says air that is moving. Your choices again are wind, thermometer, or temperature. Write 1 letter on each line to spell the correct word. The last definition says a tool used to measure temperature. You should only have 1 word left. The words are wind, thermometer, and temperature. Go ahead and write 1 letter per line. Pause your video till you're done. Now down at the bottom, it says solve the riddle. Write the circled letters in order on the lines below. I am what the air outside is like. What am I? To figure out the clue, you're going to look up here. Here's number 1. You're going to look to see what letter you wrote on this line that says number 1 and write it right here. Then you're going to go up to the top and find number 2 and see what letter you wrote there and write it on the number 2 line at the bottom. Keep going until you get all the way to letter number 7, and you should have a word that makes sense and answers the question, I am what the air outside is like. What am I? Our last page is 266. So flip to the back when you're done, and you have 4 words in our word bank: cold, windy, sunny, and hot. The first one says, children are swimming in the lake. So if that's what you see, children swimming in the lake, do you think the day is cold, windy, sunny, or hot? Write what you think on the line. Pause your video until you're done. The next one says, the trees are moving back and forth. The day is cold, windy, sunny, hot. Write the word that makes sense on the line. The next one says, people are wearing warm coats. The day is cold, windy, sunny, or hot. Pick which word makes sense if people are wearing warm coats. And the last one, people are wearing sunglasses. The day is cold, windy, sunny, or hot. You may have used this word on one of the ones before, so you might need to fix it. If people are wearing sunglasses, is it going to be cold, windy, sunny, or hot? Write the word on the line. Make sure you've only used each word one time.